Good morning, students. Today, in our class 5th subject English, we will learn about a man, ice cream man. You know, nowadays there are summer days, and we feel very much heat. So many of us and you all children eat ice creams. So today we will learn about ice cream man. There is a small lesson. See, this is ice cream man who is vending ice cream. What is called sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat? Everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream. You know, on hot summer days we eat ice cream, and everyone's favorite. It is everyone's favorite, and everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. You know, nowadays we are going to any shop to buy ice creams, but when we were child or children, or in many villages, on the cycle or on the cart, a man goes to vend ice creams and all the things. So here is ice cream man who is vending ice creams on his cart in villages. When summers in the city and brings a blast of heat. When summer is very hot and summer days are there in the city, there is blast of heat. Blast means ज्वाला, गर्मी की लपटें, तेज गर्मी पड़ती है. Blast of heat means तेज गर्मी पड़ती है. The ice cream man with his little cart, ice cream man is going to vend or sell ice creams to street by street on his small cart. The ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Trundling down means when he goes to his taking his cart by trundling, धक्का देते हुए ऐसे cart को. You know, he is pushing his cart, trundling. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight. Oh, he has an umbrella on his cart and he is trundling, means pushing his cart towards streets of city or villages, and he is going there to sell ice creams, various types of and flavored ice creams. Beneath his round umbrella, beneath means नीचे. Beneath means नीचे. Upper side there is umbrella and beneath his cart. There is beneath the umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight. Joyful means खुश कर देने वाला. Sight means दृश्य, scene. वो आइसक्रीम बेचने आता है. He is coming to sell ice cream. It is joyful sight. We all get happy to see him fill the cones with mounds. He fills cones, ice cream cones. You know, ice cream cones with mounds, leaf of ice cream. It is called mound. You know, whenever he takes out his cones and then he fills mounds of ice cream. It is called mounds of ice cream, means a pile of ice cream. Of pulling brown and white. Ice-creams are cooling, बहुत ठंडी है. Cool means ठंडी है. Brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink. वो he says vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavor. 3 flavors are there. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. There are 3 types of these are type of ice creams. He is selling vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink or thandi. Chili means thandi. Thanda. Or this chili is milk. Chili things to drink, पीने के लिए, हमारे पीने के लिए to drink. He is selling chili things, ठंडी आइटम्स बेचता है वो. From bottle full of frosty fish, वो bottles बेचता है. You know frosty fish मतलब ठंडा आवाज करने वाला. जैसे when we open cold drink bottles, it makes sound. It is called frosty fish. Green, orange, white or pink. All these cool drinks are various type of colors. Green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. His cart is flower bed. Flower bed means very useful and very comfortable for children, because whenever they see this ice cream man, all children get happy. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. You know, all children, whenever an ice cream man goes to sell ice creams, all the children of that street or that area or that village get together, cluster there. Cluster means big. They all get there, together there, and all as thick as honeybees. And they seems like honeybees who are standing around there. Like honeybees are sitting on flowers, and these children are like honeybees. They are standing there around ice cream man. Thus, this ice cream man is very, very popular man among children and also adults also. So, this ice cream man is selling ice creams on his cart during summer hot days, and he makes happy and cool everybody. This is end of our lecture. Goodbye.